is Buenaventura, papunta sa Mission Buenaventura. There is our kasama, si Amber. I remember now. Yep, that's the one. This is the one. Imagine, 14 years ago, kami lang ni Shirley, si Mami Daddy, tsaka si Amber. Kaya tapos yung kasama namin yung sa paamin. But, bakit si Amber, isang kapalit ni Shirley, kapalit sila. Alright guys, time is 5:51 PM. It's still Wednesday. We just finished yung pangatlong stop namin sa church, which is yung San Buenaventura. So, punta muna kami sa sa hotel para sleep muna and then bukas naman sa later. Alright guys, nasa 101 North kami ngayon. We just left yung pangatlong visit namin, which is yung Mission Buenaventura, which is nasa Ventura Capital. And now we're gonna heading sa Tagal para sila naman there. Nice view on my right side mountain, sa left side ko yung ocean or dagat. So we have about 12 miles still to drive. San Francisco Palawan at 64 miles from that point. Eventually doon po yung namin sa San Francisco, dahil yung isang mission church is there. But malayo pa. Nakakapagod pa lang kami. Yeah. Okay, video muna tayo para makuha natin yung view. Nice.
Looks like a glitch. It's a video right there. Wow.
Dagat po yan dito sa kaliwa natin. Sa ocean. Bandang kanan naman. Video muna tayo guys. Alright guys, ito na yung hotel natin. Saan tayo?
Holiday Inn, sir.
Oh, we have to,
Chicken, please.
I guess we'll park right here now. Alrighty, checking out. That's a pilot. Sayang po yung kasama natin. Friends, oh, look at this kid. Oh, sarap buhay naman. Cellphone, no?